It all started a year ago when I was really short and insecure. I was not really beautiful, but I was not ugly either. My friends always seemed to see me as a target to pick on for fun, and that really bothered me. I was able to maintain a good figure until about 6 months ago when I just kept adding more and more weight on. I kept focusing on what I lacked and how unhappy it made me. And because of that, I kept encountering negative situations with friends, family, and even strangers. I kept trying to apply the law of attraction for almost a year, ever since I discovered it last year. But I failed every time. The first time I applied it to grow tall, I failed and forgot about it. The next time I started applying it was in the second semester of senior year. I made an oath to myself to that no matter what, I will walk in graduation with my ideal height. I failed again. Although I think I grew an inch, but I wanted to grow 8 inches. I was 4.8 and I wanted to be 5.4. On an unrelated note, I think I manifested a dimple because there was a dimple on one side of my cheek that I never had before. It is not that noticeable, but it was there. Anyways, I still had my ideal height stuck in my brain, and I was willing to do anything to achieve it. That was when I realized where I was going wrong. I kept thinking about how tall I wanted to be, and showed so much desperation that I could not get the idea out of my head, which was why the process of my body growing stopped. I realized that I was not failing. It was just stopped until I could really learn how the law of attraction works. So I started with visualization. I would imagine myself at my ideal height and make up fantasies and stories as if I was the desired height, and it gave me a sense of joy. I always Photoshop pictures of model with the height of 5.4 and Photoshop my face with their body. I also start creating a vision board. I was a little embarrassed about it, but now I realize I should not care what anyone else thinks because they're gonna realize how much power a vision board holds once I get what I desire. A half a month went by, and I kept thanking the universe and just being grateful. I kept trying to stay happy, and then in just 2 more months, I got everything I wanted. I grew 8 inches taller, and I have such a good figure that my friends envy me. I clear up my skin, and it looks so much better. My dimple got deeper and show even more now. My hair was always thin, but now it is thick and long and soft. My friends are much nicer to me now, and I am so popular. My resting bitchy face is cured, and now I look happy all the time. My voice sounds better when I sing now, as I used to always have a bad voice when I would sing. Thank you so much for this secret movie and from bringing this knowledge into my life. I will use it often. Thank you.